All right, guys, I often get asked, how do I make the most out of online dating to meet my match? First of all, you've got to treat online dating like it's a job. Now, for some people, it could feel like a full-time job, but it should always be at least a part-time job. If you're not regularly checking your online dating profile, then you're going to get poor results. To make the most out of online dating, you've got to go on the dating sites. You've got to try different things. It's kind of like when you're in sales and marketing, you A/B test or you split test different campaigns, different strategies, different images. The same thing with online dating. You've got to try different photos of yourself, change things up. Don't post. If you've been online dating for like 6 months or a year and it's been on and off, back and forth, don't keep the same profile photo, because guess what? For other women who might have been there as long as you, they see the same profile that you posted last year, and in some cases 2 years, and it looks like you're never getting off the site. So you want to definitely change up your photos. If you're in a place like Toronto, where I currently am in, where there's 4 seasons, of course in the winter or the fall or spring or summer, you want to show images according to the season. And it's also really nice when you change your pictures like a social profile for special occasions, like we just had Valentine's Day, or it could be Christmas or St. Patrick's Day, or, the Super Bowl. Whatever special occasion is going on, if you can change your profile photo to reflect what is currently happening and what's current in your city, in your town, something specific, it could also encourage conversation from a lady who sees your profile and says, oh, great, I have something in common with that person. We can spark conversation. The other way to make the most out of your dating profile is for you to actually message women, go out on dates, and be persistent. Now, when I say be persistent, I'm not saying be persistent to the same lady that's ignoring you. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you're persistent with your effort, with your activity, regardless if you're discouraged, regardless if you're seeing, today I don't have any messages, or today I'm being messaged by all the women I don't want to be messaged from. Every day, I promise you, somebody new is signing up on an online dating site. It also depends on what site you're trying. If you're not having luck on, say, Plenty of Fish, go to OkCupid. If you're not having luck on OkCupid, go to, Bumble. Try a dating app. Try a matchmaking app. Try different things to help you get different results. You can also try interest-based apps, and nowadays people are even sliding into the DMs on Facebook, on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever that social platform is. You can use any way that you show up on a dating app, on a social app, to be attracting the kind of ladies that you want to attract. Posting great photos, posting positive images, being the kind of person that is an attraction magnet that gets the ladies to go, that guy's like always posting awesome stuff and inspirational quotes, and he's like super interesting. Do whatever has you stand out and be interesting and show that you're making an effort. That is the best way that you can make the most out of online dating. Now, if you need more advice, if you want a little more help and to dive deeper into all the different ways that you can really stand out, you're going to want to get a copy of the Hustle for Love entire program. So think about it, because it'll be worth it. If you really want to make a difference with online dating, you want to download the entire Hustle for Love online dating program, Mastery for Men, so that you can find, meet, and attract your perfect partner.